Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to upload a WordPress theme using File Manager on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Bluehost account, then go to Websites, and next to the WordPress website that you want to add a WordPress theme using the File Manager on Bluehost, click on first, in my case, just for me, I will open my WordPress admin first to see that right now I don't have the theme that I will add later. As you see, the active one is just 2025 theme, and I have 3 themes. Now I will go back to the WordPress page, to the Bluehost page, and next to the same WordPress website, click on Manage. Then go to Files and Access, and next to File Manager, click on this Manage button. A new page opens up. Now locate this W content folder and double click it like that to access it. Same thing with this themes folder, double click it. And here you will see the available themes on your WordPress website, and to add your theme, simply click on this upload button. A new page open up. Here on it, click on this select file, or drop your file here. I will click on select file, locate the WordPress theme on your computer, and double click it like that. As you see, upload started and it is completed. Now click on go back, and you will see your I recommend you to upload your WordPress theme in a single compressed file to avoid upload errors or mistakes. Because here you can still decompress your compressed file like that. Click on your compressed file using the right button of your mouse, then select extract. Here, yes, click on extract files and wait a moment. Now close this window and let's refresh this page or reload it to see the decompressed file. Now if I return to this WordPress themes page and refresh it, I should expect to have or to see the new uploaded WordPress theme. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And just like that, my new WordPress theme started showing here. Till now, if I give my website a visit, I will not see my new theme because I didn't activate it. To activate it, click on this activate button. And now if I give as you see, new theme activated, let's visit my website, and this is my new theme. And this is how to upload a WordPress theme using File Manager in Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.